Well, the other day I was looking at Waylon Wire's channel, and he said if you wanted to get a sticker, he finally had stickers. And I couldn't remember if I sent him a sticker of mine a long time ago. I know I never got one back. So anyway, I sent him a sticker, and I sent him a self-addressed stamped envelope. And he sent me this one back. And apparently it's like one of the first 100. He said it would have, it would be clear when you take it off. So there it is. And here it is, Waylon Wire. What could possibly go wrong? Anyhow, so I'm going to go and put it on my my board. I figure I'll show you guys, and I'll go ahead and switch over to my board over here. And give it a closer shot here. See where I can put it. I think I can put it right below Vortex 67 there. Let's see. Yeah, I think so. I think that might work. Because I got enough space. I was going to put it up here between Hodgepodge Garage, Chaos Garage, Drive Shaft Drew, but it looks like it'll actually fit down here before, right down here at Open Air Garage and Vortex 67. Vortex 67 actually is the guy who made my stickers, actually. Here's another plug for me. If anybody wants any stickers, just let me know. I can always send you some. Oh yeah, it's clear. So we'll get it in there. And there it is. I even got it on there straight. Go figure. So, now Waylon's on my board with all the other guys that are there. And so, here we go. So Waylon's going to be there. So anyhow, I want to put that up there. But I also want to show you this. Here we go again. Move my tripod around. I always use a tripod. 9 times out of 10 I do. I'm going to drop this down so you guys can get a good look at this thing. And let's see. There. Let's see here. I guess I should back it up. Oop, nope. Not that way. Yeah, okay, I couldn't get close enough. Well, we had to get closer somewhere. So, here we go. So, we're going to do it this way. Yeah, I took the radio out of the case and I started looking at the wiring, and I could not believe this wiring is that old. I have a hard time believing it. And look at this stuff. This is all cloth covered wire. It's not rubber, so it's not crumbling, and looks like it's actually in pretty nice shape. I mean, even the solder joints, look at these. Even the solder joints are clean. And after 90 years, actually 95 years, whatever it is, this is made in 1926. So yeah, it's surprising how good it is. And yeah, go figure. And that's even a resistor, wire wound resistor there. But yeah, surprised all the wiring was intact. That really surprised me. I thought for sure, you know, something this old, you figure, well, the wires are going to be busted off or whatever, off the coils or somewhere. But look at this. Even in the coil, the solder's actually shiny on the and everywhere you look. The solder joints are all nice and shiny and almost like they're brand new. Go figure. But of course the front of the cabinet is not, of course. It's in bad shape. So I'm going to have to redo that. So, let's see, let's hold on a sec here. Yeah, don't mind me, I'm going to flip it over. But, yeah. Not in good shape. I'm going to have to redo the whole panel. Of course, I'll tape off the Atwater Kent sticker there. But the rest of it, yeah, all the brown is pretty much gone. I do have some enamel paint I got from the hardware store that pretty much is going to match this. I don't think it'd be a problem. So you should be able to see a decent radio again. Sure not as good as the other one I have, but this is it surprised me at how the coils looked. But the other thing is, this has got no sockets. I mean, it's got the holes down there, but there's no sockets here. I thought this was supposed to have sockets, and I bought sockets, and nope, they won't fit in there at all. And it was made supposedly for 1920s Atwater Kent, so there you are. I just don't know. So anyhow, there we are. Just going to show you that, and wanted to show you I got my sticker from Waylon Wire. And that's going to be it for today. And I'll talk to you guys later.